ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। Please type your name in the chat box. We'll continue the last part of the Janta. Abhyasa number 21, which we started in the last class. Jayadevasya grihe. Did we do this? Kashchana Vishesha Karyakramaha. I think we did this.
No, Shanji.
No, we have to do this.
Only 2 exist.
Oh, because the word Sinchati came, that's why the last class we discussed. Okay. Fine. Okay, and the Sinchati I sent to WhatsApp, if you remember. Dhatu is Shicha. Shicha, it is Sinchati, Sinchadaha, Sinchanti. It is Muchadigana in the Sastagana, therefore it will get Numahama. Pension, there follows. Therefore, when you do the causative, say Chayati only. Ramaja, I think you did. Right?
Yes, Sharanji.
So, Numahama is not because of it is it did that. It is Chadi, therefore it gets that we saw. So, therefore, Shich plus Nich becomes Sechi, Seche, Sechaya, Sechayati, Sechayataha, Sechayanti, Tirupam. So let us continue this exercise. Jayadevasya Grige Kaschana Vishesha Karyakramaha. Bhagavaha Vividha Karyeshu Magnaha Drishyante. Jayadevasya Mitram Ekatra Upavishya Kaha Kim Kratavan Kaha Karitavan Karotu Iti Uttavam Iti Pashyati. Tena Drishtasya Vivaranam Adaha Asti. You can understand. There is a special program in the house of Jayadeva. So many people were involved in many different activities. So Jayadeva Mitra, his friend, Jayadeva's friend, Ekatra Pavishya, sitting in one place, who is doing what, who causes to do, he observes. Tena Drishtasya Vivaranam Adahasti. That details what he has seen is given below. So Karta is Sevakaha. Varamagati is Karyam. Bhagati, Vahana Kriya. Karayita is Gargaswami. So Prayojaka Karta, Gargaswami. Pryojakarta Sevaka. So therefore, Gargaswami Sevakena Varamagati. That is the Rupam. Similarly, other Vakyas you have to do. Okay. Now, can do. Ramaji.
The Grihini, Karita is Grihini. So Grihini, Pautriya, Pushpani, Chidatu.
Avachinoti gathers, collects. Same meaning only. Chidatu.
Yeah, Avachayayati.
Yes, Chi will become Chai. Chai will become Chai. Chaya. Chai becomes Chaya.
Chayati.
Yes. Chaya Yati it becomes. So Chi becomes Chai, Chai becomes Chai. Right?
Yeah.
So Chai becomes Chai, then you get Chai, then Shap is Chaye, Chayaya, Chayayati. So Avachayayati. Okay. So Grihini, Putriya, Pushpani, Avachayayati. Okay, next one.
Then Pitrubhyasta Karayika. So Pitrubhya Karma Karena Udyanam Sechayati.
Sechayati. So Sinchati is Magama is because of, not because of Idito Nundatu. Not because of Ididatu. It is not Ididatu. So Sechayati. Uchadika. Then next one. Number 4.
Then, yeah. Jeshta Putri
Okay,
Balakena.
by chance, what is Muchadigana?
Fourth Gana.
It is
It's a subgroup of sixth Gana.
sixth Gana.
Sixth, oh, sorry.
Fourth Gana means Ya will come, Shan, right?
Yeah, correct.
Shan
Yeah,
Bhavati.
sorry.
Subgroup of sixth Gana. Like Muchad, Muchadi, Arabia, Muchadi Gana. So Munchati, Vimunchati, Munchati, Munchataha, Munchanti. So Kechit Dhatuhu, Muchadi Antargane Vartate. So they will get Numagama when Shit Pratyaya follows. Starting from Much. So Shicha, that is Shich Dhatu also, it is in that subgroup. Okay, continue.
In Jeshta Putri Balakena Gurum Namayati.
Namayati. Ganesh, next one.
Next is Karmakari फेनकं क्रीणाति पुत्रः. So putraha, I think karmakari is strilinga.
Studies.
So, and this is in Tritiya Vibhakti because it's sakarmaka dhatu. So pitravya karmakarena udyanam.
Putraha, putrena. Sorry, putraha karma karya.
Karmakarena.
Karya, Srilinga. Srilinga.
Strilinga. So putraha karmakarya.
Karma karya.
So karmakarya phenakam. This is
Kreen dhatu.
kriing dhatu. So
Dravya vinimaye.
kriing
Krayadikana.
dhatu. So I think pukkagama comes in, so it will become krapayati.
Krapayati. Remember we saw this dhatu.
Sorry, yes.
Kri,
So puk,
G, this dhatu we saw. Kri will become krai, then kra, then krap. Pukkagama will come. Krapayati.
right.
One rule we saw, remember that G dhatu, Kri dhatu, I'll show you.
So kri will become krai,
Krai,
and then it becomes kra because
yes.
of ayadi sandhi. So kra because it's dirgha, akaranta, then pukkagama comes in. So
Pukkagama
it becomes
comes.
krapayati. That's how it is.
Yes, the Pukkagama rule, we saw this, you can see the screen, Attam Bhavati, Kri Dhatu and Adipasata Ing Dhatu and Ji Dhatu. These Dhatu, they are not these Dhatu not Akaranta Dhatu, but they get Atto Adesha. So when it becomes Krai, Kri plus Mich becomes Krai. So Atto Adesha it gets, therefore Kra. Therefore, Atto Adeshatvat Pukkagama Bhavati. So Krapi. Then Krapi plus Shap plus Tip, Krape, Krapaya, Krapayati. You can remember this is under Pukkagama section. You have seen this. There's 3 dhatu. Okay, the next one.
Next is vriddha. So vriddha, pachakena, because it's also tritiya vibhakti, sakarmaka dhatu, and rotikam pachayati. Pach
Yes.
dhatu pachayati.
Pachayati.
The
So
next,
karma will be karma. Karmani, karmas, Ditya yam eva vartate sada. Karma. So
rotikam
only
remains rotikam.
Rotikam only.
Rotikam,
So,
but here it
similarly,
becomes
Prayojaka Karta also same. Prayojaka only changes the vibhakti.
in sakarmaka because there is a prayojika.
Yes.
So all these are tritiya vibhakti.
Tritiya vibhakti and of course
Yes.
Kriya Padam, you know, it will become Ajanta. Yes, continue.
Then agrajaha anujena anandam.
Asandam, chair.
Sorry, asandam nud dhatu. So nudati becomes nodayati. Push.
No dayati.
Push. So the next is kship dhatu. Kship dhatu becomes kshepayati. So it is agraja anujaya. Strilinga. Anujaya pashanam kshepayati.
Vashanam Kshepayati.
Kshepayati.
Sumati.
Yes, Shanti. The next will be Jeshta Putraha Pachika Shiram Anayati. Anayati, yes, okay. So Jeshta Putraha Pachika will become Pachikaya Shiram. What is the knee dhatu, isn't it?
Niratu. Yes.
Oh, yeah. So Anayayati.
Yes. Nayayati with A upasarga.
A upasarga.
Anayayati.
Anayayati. Then Snusha Sishuhu annam kadati. Susha Sishuna annam kadayati.
Yes,
Then yes, Sharanji.
yeah, it's correct. Okay.
Karmakari tarunaha patram likati. So Karmakari tarunena patram lekayati.
Yes, patram lekayati.
Lekayati.
Yes. Then the next one. Upari koshtake yat nirdishtam. Okay, that we have read. Abhyasa number 22. We can read Sumati.
Yes, Sharanji. Prasadaha kaschana adhyapakaha. So he is some teacher. Okay. Varshikotsvasya samagra vyavastha tena karaniya asti. Karaniya asti.
Okay.
Karaniya asti. Vidyarthinam.
Meaning is?
He's vyavastha tena. That means he is a teacher. Prasada is one teacher. He Samagra Vyavastha means
complete activities. Varshikotsavasya, the annual function, anniversary function.
Okay.
Samagra Vyavastha, all the activities, complete activities. Tena karaniya asti, to be done by him. Right.
Then with
All the activities of the anniversary function are to be done by him. Okay.
Then Vidyarthinam sahayena karyam karaniyam iti nischitya saha chatranam nama smaran kaha kim karotu iti chintitavan. Vidyarthinam.
Karaniyam. It is karaniyam. Is it correct?
Karaniyam. It is aniyar.
Yeah, aniyar. It is kara. Is it correct?
It will be karaniyam. It should be karaniyam.
Karaniyam.
Yeah. It's not karaniyam.
Vidyarthinam sahayena karyam karaniyam iti nischitya. Okay. Or vidyarthinam karyam. Okay. Karyam karaniyam. Otherwise, karyam karayaniyam. Vidyarthinam sahayena, with the help of the students, karyam has to get accomplished. Karayaniyam. Right? So karayaniyam it must be. Iti nischitya. Okay.
Saha chatranam nama smaran kaha kim karotu iti chintitavan. So he was just thinking that is, he has to be, these actions have to be accomplished by students. So he was thinking of the names of those students, is it?
Thinking the name of the students, saha kaha kim karotu iti. Who will do what?
Who will do what?
Iti chintitavan. He thought. Okay.
Yat chintitam tasya smaranartham tena saji kritasya patrasya vivaranam adaha asti. So therefore he, after thinking, he started writing the names, is it? Who to do what?
So chintitam tasya smaranatam, yes. Smaranatam to remember that. Saji kritasya patrasya. The patra, whatever he did, he prepared. Right. That vivaranam is between below. So Krishnaha alankarotu, Madhavaha aparam gacchatu iti. How we have to do. So Prasadaha is there. So Prasadaha is a karta. So I have to remember the karta and do this exercise.
Oh.
Yeah.
So how do you start? I didn't get it. Sorry.
Prasadaha is a karta.
Yeah,
So-
so Krishna,
for
Krishnena
Krishna,
Ah.
yes, Krishnena alankaram,
Alankaram karotu will become,
yes,
this is a
Karo-
lot lakara, so this will become
karoti, you can make it. He says,
karoti.
Krishnaha alankaram karotu. Krishna, let him do alankara, decoration. So, karayatu or karayati. It's giving in present tense.
Karayati. Okay.
It's giving in present tense, therefore make it karayati.
Oh, he is given. Yeah, I'm sorry, I didn't see that. Prasadaha Krishnena Alankaram.
But here point is Adhyapakaha Prasadaha Kim Karayati iti likata Prayojya Kartuhu Dvitiya va Tritiya iti Lekanat Purum Chintayata.
Oh,
Lekanat Purum Chintayata. Prayojya Karta Dvitiya va Tritiya va iti. That's important. You have to think depending on the Kriya form.
Oh.
Yes.
whether it should be second or third. Okay. So here the first one is Krishna Prasadaha Krishna. Oh, those two I think he has given there. No?
Yes.
The first and second. I'm sorry, Shalini. Second I didn't say.
First one he has given.
Second one also. Prasadaha Madhavam.
Yes. It's okay. You can do it. No problem.
Okay. Prasadaha Madhavam Apanam Gachatu will be Gamayati.
Prasadena Prasadena.
Prasad. No, Prasad.
Sorry, Prasadaha.
Madena.
Prasadaha Madhavam Apanam Gamayati.
Gamayati.
First one is Prasadaha Krishnena Alankaram Karayati.
Oh, that is Tritiya, this is Tritiya. Okay.
Yeah. The next one.
Then next one will be, so how do we look into the Kriya Padam and then see whether it is Tritiya and Tritiya is it?
Yes. Prasadaha will be Prasadaha.
Yeah.
This will not change.
So Anayatu. So to bring, so this will become Tritiya, is it?
Yes.
Prasadaha Govindena Atithim Anayatu will become now only with it Anayayati.
Anayati. Yes. Next person, Krishnan. Number 4.
Sita Geetam Gayatu. Sitaya Geetam Gaidatu. Gai will become Gapayati.
Yes.
Pukadama.
Yes. So, what is the sentence?
Sitaya Geetam Gapayati.
Sitaya Geetam Gapayati. Does it sound good? Prasadaha Sitaya Geetam Gapayati. Prasadaha Sitaya Geetam Gapayati. Does it sound good? We that Gayati. If it is Gatyartaka.
No, yeah. So Sitam
Geetam Gapayati.
Gapayati.
Prasadaha Sitam Geetam
Gapayati.
Whether Tritiya or Tritiya. Let us see the meaning of the Dhatu. Kriya Padasya Artha Manasrutya Tritiya va Tritiyavati Chintani. So here Gapayati. And we have seen before this Gatyartaka Dhatu, right? This Gatyartaka Dhatu, then that Bhakshyadi, that Pratyavasayartha Dhatu, and some dhatus we saw. Remember in the we show that the same book only. Just a minute.
Take it as Shabda Karma, Sharanji.
Yeah, you're
It is
given.
Shabda Karma.
Yeah.
Yes, that's what
Yes,
I was finding out from the word file. I'll show you. Shabda Karma, because Gita is the Shabda, the words. Shabda Karma.
Okay, one sakarmaka dhatus in the sense of gati, buddhi,
Yes.
Satya,
Sakarmaka dhatu in the sense of it is gati. Gatyartaka. Gati. Buddhi. Then pratyavasana and shabda. The shabda is there. So therefore, the karta of this dhatu in anyantavastha will become karma in nyantavastha. So shabda karma you have to take this as shabda karma. So because this Geetam, the song is shabda karma. Shabda karma means the karma for which the object or the shabdas, the words. The words could be a write-up, or could be a book, or could be a Gita, or could be a kavya, a literary work, anything it can be. That's what Shabda Karma. So therefore, the Karaka Vibhakti here it would be Tritiya, not Tritiya. So you have to note it here. Here it is Shabda Karma, therefore it is Tritiya. Prasadaha Sitaya, Sitam, not Sitaya,
Sitam.
Sitam Gapayati. Okay, continue.
देवनाथः मुख्याध्यापकं पश्यतु. So दृश् धातु दर्शयति.
Yes.
So तृतीया. So देवनाथेन.
Think. Okay, if you give the sentence, then after that we analyze. Prasadaha.
प्रसादः देवनाथेन मुख्याध्यापकं.
Okay, Prasadaha Devanathena Mukhya Mukhyaadhyapakam
दर्शयति.
Darshayati. Now, will it be Devanathena? The question is, will it be Devanathena? Again, you see the modification of the Karaka Vibhakti. It is Drishdhatu. Darshayati, right? We saw this also before. Drishdhatu. Drishdhatu is that seeing, right? It is Buddhi. It is Buddhi only. It comes under Buddhi, the knowledge, perception. So therefore, it cannot be in Tritiya. It has to be in Dvitiya. Devanatham. Buddhi means it is not, it is, don't take it as only the Antakaranam. Antakaranam only. Antakaranam where the knowledge takes place. Right?
No, they have given separately fourth division, Drish
yeah.
Dhatoho.
Right.
Third is
Yes.
Akarma.
Yes. Third is
Akarmakana. Fourth is Drish Dhatoho.
okay. Drishdhatu.
No, when it comes, we have to use Dvitiya Vibhakti. Here it is missing in your notes. Drish Dhatu is missing. That's all.
Drishdhatu comes under Buddhi only.
Okay.
Okay. Because it is, Darshanam is knowledge. The knowledge is there. By a Vartikam is giving the Sheshcha. But Buddhi means here it is Darshana Kriya, the knowledge which takes place. The knowledge, referring to the knowledge. Buddhi means knowledge. So Darshanam is perception. Perception is knowledge. Okay. So therefore,
Yeah, Vartikam.
Vartikakara
Vartikam.
is specifying, but it comes under Buddhi. Anyway, it's okay. You can take it as a Vartika, or you can take it as the Buddhi also. In some place we will see Buddhi is Buddhi is perception, therefore knowledge. Darshana Kriya. Okay, therefore this will become Dvitiya only. So Devanatha, so therefore Prasadaha Devanatham Mukhyaadhyapakam Darshayati. Right? If it is Tritiya Vibhakti, then what will happen? Devanathena Mukhyaadhyapakam Darshayati.
दर्शयति
That Darshayati, he causes. He causes what? He causes Devanatham, Mukhya Adhyapakam. That doesn't make sense. Otherwise, it will make, he shows that Mukhya Adhyapaka, Devanatha as the Mukhya Adhyapaka. That meaning will come. That Mukhya Adhyapakam becomes the qualifier for Devanatha. He presents or he exhibits, he shows Devanatha as the Mukhya Adhyapaka, important Adhyapaka, the teacher, chief teacher, chief professor, right? That meaning will come. So therefore, Devanatham, Devanathena, not Devanathena, Devanatham will come. Devanatham Mukhya Adhyapakam Darshayati. That is correct. Devanathena, if you see, then the meaning will not come. Okay. Sorry, I said it in the wrong way. Prasadaha Devanatham Mukhyadhyapakam Darshayati. Here it is not qualifier qualified, they are separate. So that is that because both are in Ditya Vibhakti, but they are not Visheshana Visheshya. If you take it as Visheshana Vishya, that is also possible, but that is not the meaning. Depending on the context, we have to take. Right? Suppose if Mukhya Adhyapakam, if karma is not there, or okay, karma has to be there. Karma, if karma is not there, it's not problem. Mukhya Adhyapakam. But that meaning also, depending on the context, possible. Prasadaha Devanatham Darshayati. And Devanatha, suppose if it is qualified by some padam, then that meaning is possible. That meaning also possible here. Meaning possibility is there, but that is not the meaning. In the sentence it is not there. Because his Devanatha is been instructed Mukhya Adhyapakam Pashyatu. So therefore Devanatha is different, Mukhya Adhyapaka is different. And because Dashana Kriya is there, therefore Devanatha will begin Dvitya Vibhakti in the sentence. Okay. Number 6.
Ashoka Upaharam Dadatu. So Dadatu. So it will take Pukagama. So Dapayati.
Yes.
So Prasadaha Upaharam. Oh, this will be in Tritiya, right? So Upaharam.
Yes.
So Ashokena Upaharam Dapayati.
Yes, Dapayati. So Prasadaha Ashokena Upaharam Dapayati. So Ashoka becomes the means for giving the or distributing the Upahar, right?
Upahar.
Upaharam is
Wealth.
yeah, breakfast.
Breakfast, yeah.
Upahara. That is Upaharam breakfast.
Is it gift, Sharan?
Is it gift actually? It's not Upaharam. Upaharam, there is a difference. Okay.
Oh, I thought it's different kind.
Upaharam.
I thought it was wealth.
It is
Sorry,
something,
sir.
it is present. Yeah, that's it. So that Upaharam also is there. Upaharam is also there. That is the breakfast. Another word for breakfast also is Alpahara. Alpa Ahara.
Ahara, yeah.
Not Ahara, here Upahara. So it is some present, some gift. That's the meaning here.
Okay.
Alpaharam, one more meaning of one more word is there for breakfast. What is that?
Lagu Upahara.
Lagupahara, that's one. Alpahara, Lagupahara, same. But one more is use it. Breakfast. What is that? Pratarasha. Yeah, breakfast. That is also from the Ashdatu. So, Pratarasha. Okay, anyway. So, Upaharam is a present, some memento. That's Upaharam. Dapayati. Dadatu, therefore Pukahava. Okay, continue.
Balakaha asandan vahantu. So vah dhatu. So it will become vahayati.
Yes.
So prasadaha asandan. Okay.
Asandan will remain as Asandan. Nothing will happen to Karma.
So balaka is bahuvachanam. So if it is pulling, linga means balakaihi asandan.
Balakaihi prasadaha, balakaihi asandan, vahayati.
Vahayati.
Okay, vahayati. Then
Adyakshaha vedikayam upavishatu. So vish dhatu. So vish plus lich will become veshayati.
Veshayati, upaveshayati. Kaha
Upaveshayati.
prasadaha.
Prasadaha. So okay, karma is vedikayam.
Karma is not Vedika, not karma. Vedikayam, adhikarana. Vedikayam.
Saptami. Okay.
Vedika is that, what you call, dice, no? The stadium, Vedika. Or the platform, Vedika. That's the meaning of Vedika. Vedika is Srilinga. So Vedikayam, it is adhikarana.
Saptami.
Saptami. Vedikayam, on the platform. Yes.
Okay. Prasada, so adhyakshena, adhyakshena vedikayam upaveshayati.
Think. Prasadaha adhyakshena vedikayam upaveshyati. Is it correct? Vishdhatu is sakarmaka or akarmaka?
Vishati is akarmaka. So yeah, akarmaka.
Akarmakanam prayojyakarta dvitiyayam eva bhavati.
So adhyaksham.
Adhyaksham. Right? So see, adhyaksham, adhyakshaha vedikayam upavishatu. So therefore, prasadaha adhyaksham vedikayam upaveshayati. Next person, Kameshwaraji, number 9.
Here. Harihi iti vrutham likatu. So it is sakarmaka. So this is lekayati. Likatu will become lekayati. So Hari, Tritiya Vibhakti only, Harina. So prasadaha Harina iti vrutham lekayati.
Yes.
10th is Keshavaha Karya Krama Vivaranam Janatu. Janatu means Prasadaha, will it become Keshavam? Dvitiya Vibhakti
Janatu. Karya Krama Vivaranam Janatu. Jadatu. Jana, ja is involves
will become
knowledge.
Nyapayati. Yeah, Nyapayati. So it is like Shabda, we have to take Shabda.
Karya Krama Vivaranam.
Vivaranam.
Shabda Karma, you can take it, yes. You can take it as
So
Shabda Karma.
Dvitiya Vibhakti. So Prasadaha Keshavam Karya Krama Vivaranam Nyapayati.
Nyapayati.
And next,
Or you can take it as a buddhi also. Buddhi is because knowledge is involved, therefore buddhi. I think both, anyone you can take it, it's not dosha here. Karya Karma Vivaranam, Shabda Karma also possible.
Okay.
Yes.
Srishaha Haram Krinatu. Kridatu. So this will become Krapukagama will come Krapayati. This is, we have to take it as Sakarmaka. So Prasadaha Srishena Haram Krapayati. And next, right?
Yeah, okay.
Then Gita Shlokam Vadatu. Vadatu will become Vadayati. Shlokam. So Dvitiya we have Shabdam. So Shabdaka.
Shabdakarma.
Shabdakarma. Therefore, Prasadaha Geetam Shlokam Vadayati.
Yes. Next
Then-
one. Ramaji will do.
Lalita dhanam prichatu. Lalitaya dhanam prichayati.
Yeah. Prach.
Prachayati.
Prach. Prach is because of samprasana, right? Dhatu is prach dhatu only.
So prachayati.
Prach will become prachi, prache, prachaya, prachayati. Okay. Prachayati. Then next one.
Then balikaha lataha sinchatu. So lataha balikaya is
Yes.
sakarmaka. So
Yeah.
balika bihi lataha
Sechayati.
sechayati only.
Sechayati.
Prasadaha. Yeah.
Yes.
Sechayati.
Yes.
Mm.
That's a prasada you have to tell.
Yeah.
Prasadaha.
Correct. Yeah. Prasadaha balikabhi lataha sechayati.
Yes.
Radha avakaran kshipatu. Okay. Prasadaha radhaya avakaran kshepayati.
Kshepayati. Yeah. Okay.
Then
Last one.
palakaha karyakramam pashyantu. Again drish dhatu. So Vidya should come. So palakan it should be. So prasadaha palakan karyakramam darshayati.
That's right. With this, I think Nijanta is over. So we have completed Nijanta. So now we'll continue with the infant reader lesson. But before that, given some dhatus here and the rupam, we have to write. So each one of you, one will do. So if you see so far what we have seen Kritya. We started from Kritya, right? Remember Kritya? Do you remember? Kritya.
Yes.
We have seen the pratyas, yat, nyat, tavya, niyat, etc. Right? It's a long one we saw. There the Kuttum also we saw different rules, different what do you call different application of this Kuttum. Utsarga Pavada Rupena. They have seen. It's a long list. Then we saw Ittakama, Itta Vyavastha. It is required for Nishta Pratyaya, Tavya, Trich Pratyaya, etc. We need Tuman also. Then we saw last one is Nijanta and Natvam. So Natvam we know, it's not a difficult thing. Nijanta also we have seen. So all these rupams you have to write. I have given here only Lat and Lang. Other lakaras are not given. Space is not there. At least Lat and Lang is enough. You can say other lakara also. So take one dhatu. Which one of you and let us write the form. Then we will do infant reader. Yes, please do it. Ramaji, start from you. Ankadhatu.
Yeah.
It is in the Churadigana, Ankadhatu. Okay. Ankadhatu is to mark, to sign. That's the meaning. Pade Lakshane Cha Churadigana. It is Sakarmaka Dhatu, Set Dhatu. And 10th Gana, therefore it is Udayapadi. Right? So you can do. I have written for your understanding Ank, but actually it is Adanta Dhatu. Anka it has to be. It's okay. We'll talk about that later. It is Anka I have written here. So the Lat Lakara is,
Latlakara is ankayati.
yes, Ank plus Nich. Anki, Anke, Ankaya, Ankayati.
Kayati. Yeah.
So Lang Lakara would be,
Lang will be Ankayat.
yeah, it is, yes, it is
Ata.
Udayapad. Yes. Anki, Ankaya, up to Ankaya is common. Then Ankayat is going to come. Then Ankayat, Atagava will come. Yes. It's good. Ankayat.
Will be
Rupam is Ankayat. Then the next one.
Rit Lakara.
Other Lakara, you can do it. If you can, please do it with the ling and lot and ling with the ling.
Ankayatu is the
Lot. Okay.
lot.
Ankayatu.
Ankayatu. Ankayet is the ling Lakara.
Yes. Ankayat.
Then
Rit Lakara, future tense.
Ankayishyati.
Ankayishyati. Right?
Yeah, Ankayishyati.
Ankayishyati.
Yeah.
Yes. Ankayishyati is a lit Lakara. Okay. Then Nijanta Rupam.
Nijanta will be Ankayati only. Same as
Yes.
because 10th.
10th Gana. Therefore, same. The Rupam would be same. Ankayati only. So Swarte or Paranarthe depending on the context. Okay. Then next one. Yat Pratyaya would be.
Ankayat.
Will it take yat or nyat or what?
Plus
Which will take here? Yet I just only Upalakshana yet. It is not that yet. You have to find out whether it is sorry yet or nyat or catch. That you have to find out.
it is Haladi, so
Therefore,
Ananta, so and should be Yat Sharanji at work.
it should be nyat.
Yat, yeah.
Nyat, not yet. Nyat.
Yeah.
So Anka plus nyat.
Yeah.
Anka plus nyat, nothing happens. So nothing happens means the Ankakarya doesn't happen. So Anki, sorry, not Anki. Anka plus nyat, it becomes Ankya. The Rupam would be
Ankya.
Ankya. You can decline in all the genders. Ankya. Next one, Twa would be
Ankayitva.
Anka plus Twa Pratyaya. Ankayitva.
Anki is
Yeah, it is Anki plus Twa. Anki plus Twa will become. Okay, this part, this Twa Pratyaya. So Ankayitva. Ankayitva is a Rupam. If we say this will take Ittagama. It will take Ittagama and Guna also will happen. Guna also will happen. Right? So therefore Ankayitva. Anki plus Itva. So Anki will become Anke. Ankaya, Ankayitva. Okay. That even though it is a Kit Pratyaya, there is a rule. I don't know whether I told you that rule. Na Twa se, or maybe I'll tell you later. So the Rupam is Ankayitva. That I did, this is a point I remember. We'll see that later. That is where Kittam is negated. So regarding that, I do teach you some certain rules. We'll see that. Okay. Now you know it, Ankayitva. Maybe in the next class, we'll see that. Why Guna happens if it is a Kit Pratyaya? So there are exceptions to that. One thing is we saw that Ankakarya will not happen if it is a Kit. But even if it is a Kit, in some case it happens. But we'll see that. Next one. Lep will be
some upasarga.
any upasarga you can add. Some upasarga. Some itself you can add. Is it some upasarga?
Okay, sun
Pra also you can add pra plus ank will become prank. Then
Prangayitum.
Lep
Sorry,
pratyaya.
prankya.
Prankya.
Lep, yeah, prankya.
Asamankya iti. Sam plus ank plus ya. Tuman would be
Will be angayitum.
here also Valadi. This will take Itagama. Ankayitum.
So, yeah.
It's a said dhatu, I said. So here it's no problem. It ank dhatu will take tuman pratyaya. So ank plus tumun. We are doing this is ank plus tumun.
Anki plus tuman.
Sorry, anki plus tuman. So which will come? So anki, anke. Ankayitum. 10th gana, therefore ankayitum.
Tavyataniya shanji.
Oh, that's sorry. Please do it.
Here anga tavya it's ittagama. So ankayitva.
Ankayitavyam.
Ankayitavyam. Yeah, ankayitavyam. Sorry. Ankayitavyam and ankaniyam. Sorry.
Ankaniyam. Ankaniyam. Nattum will happen. I'm not writing. You want me to write a form? It will take time if I type it.
Who comes? So, no.
It will not come. No,
There is no nimitta.
There is no nimitta. Repashakara,
Mm.
Mudrinashakara, Rikara not there. So therefore, it will not happen. Ankaniyam eva.
Yeah.
Okay. These are the rupam. Maybe I will type it later. The next one. Ganesh Anchidatu. Gati
Anchatu.
Pujana Yogo. It is first Ganadhat.
Anch means to invite or
To worship.
worship.
Gati, it involves movement or worship. This movement is, you will see that in the directional words. It is Pratyansh, Pranch, Prank, and in the it's a Srilinga Rupam also, the Pranche Dishe, Namaha, Dakshina Dishe, Udiche Dishe, Udichi, all the directional words are formed from this dhatu, Anchadhatu. And it also in the use for puja, Anchati means Pujayati. Gati Pujana Yogo. This dhatu, first Gana dhatu. First Gana dhatu, Sakramaka dhatu, Set dhatu, Parasmepati. Okay. Hello. Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you, Shanti.
Oh, what happened? I mean, all of you, can you hear me or?
Yeah, we
can hear
Yeah.
you.
Yes, dear.
Yeah, I think it's my internet.
Okay. So I was saying Anchadhatu, the meaning is Gati or Pujana, Gati Pujana Yogo. It is Sakarmaka Dhatu, Set Dhatu, and it is Parasmepati. Okay. That is the meaning. You can give the forms Lat, Lang, Lot, and Ling. Hello. I think your side mic problem is there, or
Yeah, we could hear Shanti.
yes. Ganesh, are you there? Okay. So let him join. Somebody can do.
Yeah. So this will become, so Anchati is it? Anchati is Latlakara
Yes, Anchati.
and Lang will be Anchat. Artagama will come.
Yes.
So it will be Anch.
Yes, you're right.
Anchayat, is it?
Anchat.
Anchat, yeah, maybe, yeah. Anchat. Shanti, take some time
It's okay.
to
Doesn't
do
matter.
everything. Anchat, okay. The next one is Lot will be Anchatu.
Anchatu.
Ling will be Anchet.
Yes.
Then future tense lit will be Anchashyati.
Anchishati. Good. Yes.
Yeah. And Nijanta will be yeah. Good. So Anchayati.
Anchayati. Yes.
And next, this is also This will also take net.
It will take nyat only, yes.
Yeah.
You have to
That
bear
one,
in
so-
mind the exception. Exception, if you remember, it is fine. Otherwise, it's okay. I also
I
don't.
think we have to
No, but-
revise, I think, Shanti, because at that time I learned, but now it's
Yeah, I
gone
know.
out.
When you see Kritya, it will look new now.
Yeah.
That's why I refer to the document whenever. So Ansh plus it is nyat.
So it will become Anchi. Will it be Anchi? What is it? Anchi.
No, that
Ant-
it is Upada is not Akara, right? So Upada is Nyakara. So it will not happen. Not A.
Okay, Akara. Oh, I'm sorry.
Hmm.
No, I'm just thinking only, Shanti. So how it will be? I forgot entirely how to do that.
Very good. No problem. It's a blessing.
Sorry. So it will
So
be
you can see Yat Pratyaya added to Ajanta Dhatu, right? We have seen this.
yeah.
Okay, fine. River Dhatu and Halanta Dhatu will take Nyat Pratyaya. Nyat is
Yes.
it's a Nit
Yes.
Pratyaya. Nit
Yeah.
Pratyaya will do the Angakarya. So if you
So-
take,
Riddhi will happen if it is last day.
yes, now here what we have is Ansh. Okay, let's put Ansh plus Nyat. What will happen? The Upada is
Upadas, it is not. It will not happen because
Nothing will happen.
Yeah, nothing will happen. Now I repeat it. Yeah.
Anshya. The Rupam will be Anshya.
Anchia only. Okay. So
Okay.
thank you,
back.
Shanti. Yeah. Sorry. So
Okay,
it's
the
Anshya.
exceptions are that we have to see. Okay. Anshya.
Then Tavya will be. It will take Itagama, isn't it? So Anchitavya,
Anchitavya.
Tavya, Anchaniya,
Yes. Anchitavya, Anchaniya.
Vya, and Twa will be Anchitwa,
Yes. Anchitva.
and left will be what represent?
There also, it is, anyway, Anchitva is okay now because there's a rule.
Oh,
If it is a Pujarte Anchitva, if it is Gatyartha, that Nya will go away. So you will have,
okay.
when it goes away, you will have Ach plus Tva, then Chogo Kugandal will apply, you will have the form. Aktva also form will get. The form here, let me write it here, it is Anchitva, it is in the sense of Pujartha. If it is Gatyartha, it becomes Aktva. Rupam is Aktva. So here what happened that Nyai goes away. So when it goes away, Ach plus Tva. Ach plus Tva, Chakara will be replaced by Kakara.
Takara, yeah.
So Aktva you will get.
Okay.
This is something, anyway, this Anchidhatu is like that. It's a little complicated Dhatu. In Suvanta, we will see that. So the Rupam is like that. Okay. Then Yep would be
What Upasarga, Shanti?
any Upasarga, some Upasarga can take.
Some, okay, it will be some Jitwa, I'm sorry, some Jitya, some you add as the thing that they add, this will be what? Summer, it will become summer.
Yeah, Samanchia.
Samanjia, okay. Then Tumun will be, it will take Itagama, so Anchitum.
Yes, Anchitum. Next year, joint. Then Ganesh, are you back? Hello. Ganesh, can you hear me?
Now I can hear. Sorry, there's a
So-
disconnection.
Yes, At Dhatu, you can do.
At. So at dhatu is
At is
to
Gat-
roam,
Gatya.
to wander.
Yes, that's right.
Artha is to
Yeah.
wander.
Yes,
And let lakara will be atayati.
Not Atayati. It is
Sorry,
Ata is
Atati.
first gana.
Atati.
Atati. Gato.
Atati.
Vadigana. It is Sakarmaka Seth Dhatu. Parasmeta.
Said that. And lung will be atati.
Atat. Lung. Right?
Atati, yes.
Not Atati. Or Atayati. Atat.
Atati.
Okay.
Then Lit.
Lot Lakara.
Lot will be atatu.
Atatu. Ling Lakara.
Ling lakara will be atet.
Atet. Atetam. Ateyuhu. Yes.
Atet. Then lit rakara will,
Yeah. Lot Lakara would be.
lit rakara will be atishyati.
Yes. It is at plus ya plus t. Why? Yeah, at plus ya plus t. It's a chetakama, therefore atishyati. Itakama.
Ish.
E comes. Right? Yes. Atishyati.
Atishyati.
Okay.
Then nijanta will be ati.
Yeah.
So
Interesting one.
interesting. Okay.
At will become at plus which. We have seen this. It's not a new one.
At plus this will become ati. So it will become atayati only.
It will become a t. At plus which.
Ati. Ati.
Becomes ati.
Ati.
Yes. Yes.
Dirgha will
Therefore,
happen.
hmm.
Ati.
Therefore, Rupam is atayati.
Atayati.
Okay. Then Kritya.
Kritya.
Which one you
Yat
will
will
add?
become,
Yat or Nyat? Which one you will add? First you have to decide.
I think I'll opt for yat. Atayat.
No. If it is a halanta, okay. Remember this Kritya. Kritya sometimes you have to recall. Okay.
Right. So it's
This
halanta
is-
dhatu.
it's a Rivarna Dhatu, Alanta Dhatu will take Nyat. That is a rule. We have seen this. Right? Therefore, it
Right.
is bearing the exceptions. That's exceptions are legal. At least this Utsarga is Alanta Dhatu. At will take Nyat only. Therefore, At plus Nyat will become.
Ataya.
No. That's Nitya. Therefore, Upada
Right.
Dirgha. Upada Vriddhi will
Right.
happen.
Art.
Atya. The
Becomes
form would
Atya.
be.
Atya.
Yeah, Pach. See, Pat becomes Patya. Pat becomes Patya. Pach becomes Patya. Similarly, this will become Atya. Right. Next one. Tavya and Aniya.
So it is said dhatu. So atitavya
Yes, At plus Ati, Atitavya,
and ataniya.
Ataniya.
Then twa becomes atitva
Yes, Atitva.
and lyap will be upasarga will be pra-upasarga.
Pari Upasarga or you can
Pari.
take some Upasarga or Pra Upasarga. Okay, your choice. Pra also can take. Pra plus At plus Lyap. Pratya.
Pratya. Pra.
Paritaha Atati, therefore Pariyatya, because we know Pariyatanam moving around. Pari plus At plus Yep,
So pariyatya.
Pariyatya. And Tumun would be
It will be atitum.
Tum. Okay. The next one. Krishnan. Archada.
Arch Pujayam.
Which Gana is that? Arch Pujayam.
Vavadigana.
Archati. Yes. Archasin Vadigana. It is there. Just Pujayam. Then also is there, I think. Yeah, it is
Yeah,
there.
it is there. It is there.
So you take it as a first Gana. Vadigana, Sakarmaka, Setatu, Parasmeta. You can do it for 10th Gana also when you do it. Both can try.
Okay.
Take it as
So,
first gana first, and then take it as Churadigana.
so first gana, Bhuvadigana, so Lat Lakara would be Archati. Lung form would be Archat. Lit would be Archishyati.
Yes.
No,
No, there's a Lot Lakara and Ling Lakara also you can do.
Lot would be Archatu, Archatat.
Archet,
Archet.
Ling Lakara. Archeto is Lot, that's correct. Ling Lakara, Archet.
Archet.
Okay.
Nijanta would be
Lit Lakara would be future tense.
Archishyati.
Archishyati.
Said Dhatu. So
Nijanta would be
Archayati.
Archayat. That is a Rupam for Churadigana. Lat Lakara Rupam, Archayati, yes. Then Yatan, Nyatan, Tavyat. Which one you will use?
This is Halanta Dhatu. So
Therefore, Nyat only.
Nyat. So Archi. Archayat.
Not Archi. Yat. Yatar Nyat. Pratya.
Yat. So
Arch plus Nyat Pratyaya. I hope there are no exceptions. Even if it is, yes, Arch plus Nyat Pratyaya.
So
Nothing will happen. Archya it will come.
Archya, okay.
Nothing happens. Because Upada is only a consonant.
Repa. Yeah, okay. Yeah, Archya.
Archya. Yes.
Architavya and Archani.
Yes. Architavya, Archaniya. Yes.
Archaniya. Then Architva, Architva.
Yes. With the Prabhupasarga, Samupasarga. Prarchya.
Prarchya, okay. Prarchya.
Some Prabhupasarga, Samarchya. Tumun would be
Architum.
Architum. Architum. Okay. Then if it is 10th Gana.
So 10th Gana, Anga would be Archi. So Archayati is the Lat form. Archayati lung form would be Archayat.
Archayat, yes.
Vidiling would be Archayat.
Archayat.
And what is that? Lot would be Archayatu or Archayatat.
Yes.
Rit would be Archishyati.
Lit Lakara would be.
No.
Archi is a Dhatu. Archi plus.
Itagama. So Archayishyati.
Archayishyati, yes. Then Nijanta is anyway, the form is same only. Nothing to do that. Archayati or Archayate. Right? Swartya or Preranate. Then Yat or Nyat.
This is Ajanta Dhatu, Angam.
Archi, yes.
Archi.
Therefore,
Yat.
Therefore, it is Yat will come.
Archi. So that Dirgatvam will happen, right?
Why Dirgatvam? Archi plus Yat only, right? Archi plus Yat, not Nyat, because Adanta you said. Adanta.
Okay, so I thought because the Yakara Dirgatvam will happen.
Same as the previous one. Archya. Archya will happen.
Oh, okay. Okay. The near niti happens.
Yes, nehe niti happens. E goes away. Oh, that you are worried about E. Yes, E goes away.
Yeah. I was confused about that.
Yeah, the previous one E was not there. Here E is there. The E goes away. Archi, the E goes away. Therefore, the Rupam is same for both. Swarte, Pranate, sorry, this first Gana, Jaratigana, form is same. Archya, one is a Pratyaya is Yat, the other one Pratyaya is Yat. In Vadigana, it is Yat. In Jaratigana, it is Yat. In Yat, the Itagama come, that the E is the this and it follows, therefore Ni goes away. For Archi becomes Ast plus Ya. Okay. Then Tavya.
So Archi plus Itagama, so Archayitavya.
Archayitavya.
Aniya would be Archi plus Aniya, so Archayaniya.
Yes.
And Twa would be Archi plus Twa. Itagama will happen.
No. Archayaniya, you just think Archi plus Niya.
Oh, okay. This is not Paladi, so near Nitya will happen.
Archaniya. He will go.
Archaniya.
If he is there, Guna will happen. Archayaniya will come. But he himself will go there, right?
Yeah.
For Archaniya only the form. Archayaniya, there is no form Archayaniya. Yeah, note that important. Archaniya. Archaniya, nothing will happen.
No, Chakara is there.
Chakara is there.
When Nimittam is not there.
Nimittam is there. Repa is there.
The Chakara is there in between.
Chakara is there in between. That is not permitted later. So Archaniya. Tva Pratyaya.
So Archi plus Twa Idakama will happen. So Archayitwa.
Archi plus Twa. Yes. Archayitwa. Yes.
Archayitwa. With Lap Pra plus Archi.
The same as the previous one. Here also.
The name it happen.
So therefore.
Prarchya.
Yes, last one. Come on.
Archayatum.
Next one, Kameshwari. Dhatu is Arj Dhatu, which is in again the
first
two
and
ganas.
10th. Yeah.
Sakandaka, Sek Dhatu, Parasmepati Dhatu.
Parasmepati. And 10th gana it is Ubhayapati.
Yes, 10th gana it is Ubhayapati.
Meaning is to procure.
Arjane.
So Lat Lakara will be Atati.
Not Atati, Arjati you are doing.
Huh?
You are doing Arj Dhatu, not Atati.
I am sorry. So yeah, Arjati, Arjat.
Yes.
So Arjat, then Arjatu, then Arjet. Rit will be Arjishyati. No, Arjishyati. So Arjishyati.
Yes.
Then Nijanta form will be Arjayati.
Yes.
Then
Arjayati. Nijanta, sorry. Arjadatu, Arj plus Nich, what will happen?
Nich. So it will become.
Not Arjayati.
Oh, yeah. So
Arjayati.
Repa is there. So Arjayati only. Yeah. It is Upada is only Repa. Then Yat or Nyat. So Nyat we have to add which because Halanta. So Nyat when we add Arj will be Arj only. So
you add Yat or Nyat?
Yat we have to add.
Yat. It is a Halanta. How can you add Yat? You have to add Nyat.
That's what I said. Nyat only I said.
Okay.
Halanta also I mentioned. Halanta, so Nyat. So Arj will be Arj only. So Arjya Arjyat.
Arjya only, not Arjyat. Takara is Italet. Arjya.
Yeah, Arjya. Then Arjitavya, Itagama here will come, no? Arjitavya, Arjaniya, Aniya, Arjaniya.
But nothing happened.
No, Jakaram, Cha Varga is there, no? So
Okay.
it won't happen. In between Repa and Nakara, Chakara comes, means Natvam is negated. Then Twa, Arjitva. Lyap will be Pra plus Arj. Prarjya. Then Prajitum. Then that's all. Right?
Prajitum. Why Prajitum? Prarjya. Then Arj plus Tumun. Arjitum.
No, I don't get it. Prarjya, yeah, Lyap. Prarjya.
Prarjya is over. There you added pra.
Oh, okay.
Tumun you don't have to add pra.
Yeah. Then Arj plus Tumun, Arjitum.
Arjitum. Oh, if this is a 10th gana, the same dhatu is a Arj dhatu. Where the meaning is different. Pratiyatne.
Yeah. So Arji will be
What is the meaning Pratiyatne? Pratiyatne is effort. Yatna is the Pratiyatne. To earn is a meaning in Vadigana. Here Pratiyatne is to put effort. Pratiyatne. Let me check. You also can check. Pratiyatne. There is a slight difference is the meaning.
It is given Pratiyatne.
That is why we say Arjane Dukkham. We say Rakshane Dukkham, Arjane Dukkham. To earn, in that sense, it is the you can see the Dhatu Kosha. Here it is not.
Yeah, no, I'm having the Dhatu Kosha. It's given.
Okay, continue.
Pratiyatne. In Archida, now it becomes Arji. So 10th Gana. So Arji. I want to see Latlakara is Arjayati. Then Arjayat. Then Arjayatu. Ling will be Arjayet.
Yes.
Then Nijanta form is same Arjayat. Arjayati.
Oh, you want to see that? Okay, Ritlakara.
Yeah. Rit will be Arjayishyati.
Yes, Arjayishyati.
This will be same Arjayati Nijanta.
Yes.
Then Arji.
Arji plus Yat or Nyat.
Yat can be added, right?
Yes.
E ending is E. So Arji plus Yat is Arjaye. Arji plus Yat. Arjiyat.
What is the answer? Anybody? Arji plus Yat.
They just Arjaya.
Arjayat.
No. Arji plus Yat. Yat Pratyaya.
Yeah.
So that E goes away.
E goes away. Arjya.
Okay.
Right, Krishnaji?
Arjayat.
Not Arjya. Arjya. Arjya.
Arjya.
Negativity only. Same. Arji plus Yat. E goes away. Right?
Arjya.
So next one.
Arjiyat. Then Arji plus Tavya will be Arjitavya. Arji plus Anya.
Arji plus Tavya, not Arjitavya. Arji plus Tavya, Guna will happen. Arjay. Then Itagama will come. Arjay plus Itavya. Then Ayadi Sandhi, Arjayitavya, the Rupam.
Okay, Arjayitavya. Then here Arji plus Aniya, E plus Arjayan, Arjayaniya or
Think. Here also
no,
same thing.
Vriddhi will happen.
No, don't. Why Vriddhi happens?
And
What is the
Niya.
Nimitta? What is the Nimitta? Listen, what is the Nimitta for causing Vriddhi? Any Nimitta is there? Why Vriddhi should happen?
Yeah. It should be, no, Arji means ith letter.
Arji means it, I don't know what it means. Anyway,
No, Arji is ending with ith letter.
ending with ith letter. Who says ith letter?
Arji, no, Ikara.
E is ith letter.
No, Ikupada. I'm sorry, Ik.
Ikupada.
No,
No.
Ik letter.
You are doing all the mistakes. Listen. First
Yeah.
you have so think properly. Arji is a dhatu, new dhatu. Arji plus Aniya, guna will supposed to happen, but Aniya is Anit. When Anit follows, E goes away, that rule will apply. So when E goes away, you will have only Arj plus Aniya. Join that. That is the answer.
Arjaniya.
Arjaniya.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, okay. Really, I made all mistakes.
No, you are saying so many things, mixing so many things. Nidanam required. Next one, Tva Pratyaya.
Arjitwa.
Arji plus Tva.
Um,
It is Arji plus Tva. Here also that Arji will become Arje and the Tva is Itagama. Arjayitva, like the previous one. Ankayitva, Anchayitva. Similarly, here also it will happen. Even though it is Tva is Guna will happen, I said that we will see some exceptions are there. So Arjayit, yeah, Arjayitva, Rupam.
okay.
Then Lep would be take any Upasarga, some Upasarga, Pra Upasarga.
Pra plus, so it will become Praji, Prajya. E goes away.
E goes away, good. Prajya.
So Prajya. Then Arji plus Tumun, Arjitum.
Yeah. Tum is there. You have to see whether it can cause Guna or not, right?
Arjayitum.
Yes, Arji will become Arje, Arjaya, Arjayitum. Right. Okay. So each one of you have done one dhatu. And other dhatus are there, we will do. So when you do, you will have to remember Kritya and Nijanta, all those things. So that will be helpful. Okay. Now we will continue. So we will do each class 5 dhatus. We are doing infantry, right? Which lesson we are doing?
We finished 13.
13. Oh, really? 13 or 11? I thought 11. 11 or some exercise we are doing, I thought.
No, 13 we finished. Only the exercises left.
Left us,
13.
okay. Have you not started the exercises? Okay.
At this part, Nakshatrani, we have to do.
So, Ramaji, you can. Nakshatra, I think this is okay. Anyway, for sake of completion, we can quickly do this. Yeah, please read, Ramaji.
Yeah.
Okay. The exercise you asked me, I'll show you the answers. Okay. Because there's a gap, so we may not recall. Yeah, please read.
Nakshatrani kutra prakashante. Nakshatrani
Kutta is there. That can be.
yeah.
It is Desha. Referring to Desha, not Kala. If it is Kada, Ratro. So Kutra.
Akash, we can say Akash.
Vyomni, I think the word will be there. I think we saw some here in this, maybe the previous lesson. Vyomni, yes. Vyomni Hiravad Dyotante Asti, right?
Yeah.
Akashe.
Akashe or Vyomni.
Do you remember the Shabda, Vyoman Shabda?
Yes, we know.
Yeah. Shabdas
Like,
also we have to see. Shabdas, I think we have up to what Shabda we have seen.
Atman Shabda, right? Like,
Atman. Vyoman is not, it is Atman,
hmm.
it is like karma. Karma, karmani, karmani. Vyoma, vyomani, vyomani. But
Okay.
Vyoman is some, yeah, Vyoma is got something. So Vyomni is Saptami Bhakti Ekavachana.
Hmm.
Okay. That Shabda part you have to memorize. We will see anyway the rules in later, the Ashtadhyayi. So Vyomni is 7-1. Okay. So Nakshatrani Putra Prakashante.
Nakshatrani Vyomni Prakashanti.
Okay. Continue.
Tani kada na prakashante. Adiva na prakashante. They don't shine in the.
Yes. So, you can make it a Karmani, the answer.
Tani kada Tani diva na prakashante. Tani. So Taihi.
Yes.
No, no, no,
Taihi.
no. Yeah, Taihi only. Napumsakalingam only.
Yeah, it's correct only.
Taihi diva na prakashyate.
Yes.
Prakashyate.
Taihi divana prakashyate. Taihi vyomni prakashyate. Kash dhatu sakarmaka akarmaka akarmaka.
Yeah.
For
So prakashyate.
Bhave prayoga hai. Next one, Ganesh, number 3 and 4.
Number 3, Tani Putra Hiravat Dhyot
Yeah,
Dhyotante.
Dhatu is Dyut dhatu. Dhatu is Dyut.
So here it becomes Taihi. So Hiravat Taihi Kutra Dhyotyante becomes Dhyotate.
Yes, Dyut, Dhyotate.
Dhyotate.
So Dyut is deep tau. Okay, we got many words are there. Deep dhatu is there. Deep dhatu.
To shine or
To shine. Deep tau. So when you see a dhatu, you can bring in the other what you call other similar dhatu. Deep tau is divadigana. Dipyati. So dipyate, it is Atmanipadi.
same as
So,
Prakashayati or
yes, same. Dyut, Prakash, all are same meaning. Deep is Deepyate, Dhyotate. Dhyotate, Dyut dhatu, sixth gana. Deepyate, it is in the Divadi gana, fourth gana. And Kasha dhatu also is in the sixth gana. So Dhyotate is equal to Prakashate is equal to Deepyate.
all Atmanipadi.
Yes, all are same meaning. So you can bring in the similar the meaning. Even Rajdhatu also, Rajate, right? Rajate, Virajate, the same meaning. All these are dhatu, same meaning. Bhadhatu also, Bhas also means to shine.
So Bhasate.
Bhati. Yes. Bhati, Bhas dhatu, Bhadhatu, Bhas dhatu, same meaning. Jwalati also is there. Ujjwalati, right?
Prajwalati.
Ujjwalati. You see how many dhatus are there? So many dhatus are there. So if you take one, you will get so many forms. As you said, Bhas also is there. Bhasayati. Bhati, Bhasayati, Jwalati, Jyotate, Deepyate, Prakashate. All this is how we develop the vocabulary for Kriya Pada. Same meaning only. Right?
Right.
Okay. Yes. Continue.
Fourth, Kesham Raja Chandraha. So
Hmm.
here you have to supply Chandra Hasti and
Yes.
becomes Bhuyate. So Tritiya Vibhakti Chandrena. So Kesham Raja
Not
Chandrena.
Bhuyate. Chandra Hasti only. Why Bhuyate? Kesham
Chandrena
Raja.
Bhuyate.
No. Why Bhuyate? It's not Karmani, right? Kesham Raja Chandraha Asti. Nakshatranam Raja. Right? Why Bhuyate?
Right. I thought it's bhuyate. It's
No, bhuyate is karmani prayoga. Then if it is karmani prayoga, then what would be the form?
I converted that to karmani, that question.
Question, how can you convert?
Kesham Raja Chandrena bhuyate.
Oh, you check and Chandrena.
Yes.
Okay. Oh. Then the Raja will be
Raja.
Raja also you have to change it then.
Right. Okay.
That's why I got confused. Okay. It's a Raja. Kesham Raja Chandraha is Raja is Prathama Vibhakti Ekavacham. Chandra is also Prathama. Chandrena, if you say Raja also you have to convert
Into Dvitiya.
into Tritiya. Chandrena you said, right?
So Kesham Rajena Chandrena? No.
That is not Rajena. What is the word? Rajna.
Rajna.
Kesham
Rajan.
Rajna Chandra. Rajna.
Kesham Rajna Chandrena bhuyate.
Yes. Next paragraph. Sumati ji. 5 and 6.
Yeah. 5 will be Tasya Prakashasya Nama Kim.
There's a name for that. We saw, if you remember.
Chandrika. That one. Chandrika.
Yeah, Chandrika is that. Chandrika and Jyotsna also meaning is that. Jyotsna.
Oh, okay. So Chandrasya Prakashaha Jyotsna.
Jyotsna, Chandrika, all the same meaning.
Okay. So how do you complete it? Chandrasya Prakashaha Jyotsna Asti.
Jyotsna, yes.
Jyotsna, okay.
Jyotsna.
Then next one is
Jyotsna, Chandrika. I think the exercise Chandrika is given.
Okay. You showed now when you scroll down, I saw it as Chandrika.
Chandrika, yes. Chandrika is given. Chandrasya Prakasha, Chandrika.
Chandrika.
Okay. The next one.
Next one, Tvam Kim Karoshi. In this lesson, it's given Aham Nakshatrani Ganayami.
Ganayami. So, Aham Nakshatrani Ganayami. Ganayami, which Gana is?
10th Gana.
10th Gana.
Yeah.
Ganayami. So, Ganayami is counting. It's Adanta Gana. Ganayati, Ganayataha, Ganayanti. Right? So it means counting. It is Adantanga, therefore, okay, 10th Gana we have to see. The Adantanga goes away when you add Nich. Therefore, you will have Gani.
Oh.
The Gani you will have Ganayati, Ganayataha, Ganayanti. Okay. Right. Next.
Next.
Yeah.
Kutah Ganayitum na Parayasi. Parayasi. That means from, what I have to see, Parayasi is, I forgot, what is it you showed before, Sharji?
Parayasi is not able to.
Parayasi is not able to. So,
not able to.
That is it. Not able to count, is it? Not able to count the stars.
Yes.
So you say
Na Shaknomi.
Aham na, yeah, Shaknomi. So Aham Nakshatrani Ganayitum na Shaknomi.
Na Shaknomi, na Parayami.
Oh, Parayami, na Parayami.
So okay. Ganayitum, we saw now.
Yeah.
To count. Right. What will be the future tense? Suppose if it Ganadhatu is that. Future tense would be?
Ganayishtum.
Ganayishyati. Right.
Yeah, I think it is to Ganayishyati. Yeah.
Ganayishyati. Ganadhatu. Add, if you add a Kritya Pratyaya. Kritya.
So here you will add net only. I'm sorry, you will add net only. It's Alanta Dhatu.
It's Alanta Dhatu. It is Gana Dhatu anyway.
So it will not, will it undergo with the Ganayati? Ganaya?
No. It is that I is iterator only. So it has to be treated as the Alanta Dhatu, Gun. Okay.
Yeah.
So Gun plus Yet
Gan
only.
plus yet. So ganaya only.
Sorry, it is not written
Nit,
as.
it's nit,
Sorry, one minute. It is nyat you have to add. It is adantang dhatu. That a is not equivalent. Okay. Gana plus nyat. Okay, then gana plus nyat. That ya is there. Gana plus yat.
Will be ganaya or ganaya?
That a is that it is treated as the adanta, but that a goes away. Therefore, ganyam is the only the form you get.
Oh,
Yat pratyaya to be added because it is a adanta, but that a it goes away. A goes away because of yat is a adhatuka pratyaya. When a adhatuka pratyaya follows the adantanga, the a goes away. That's the rule we I think I
yeah, I
told you.
think you told us, but
We have
I
seen
am
this.
able to apply it here.
Mainly, you will see this rule applicable for the 10th gana dhatus. When
Oh,
an
oh,
ardhatuka pratyaya follows, remember,
okay.
a will go. Okay. So
Okay,
gana
okay.
plus gana is adanta only. It's not a
Yeah.
ether letter. Okay. So gana plus yat pratyaya, yat being an ardhatuka pratyaya follows the adantanga, the a goes away, therefore becomes gan. So gan plus yat becomes ganya.
Ganya. Okay.
It is ganya. It's a good thing.
So all 10th gana we should think like this. Okay.
10th gana, many adanta dhatus are there. That we have to do like this. So kata it becomes katya. Kata is katadi gana, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
many dhatus are in this gana. Katadi, in fact, it's called. So ganyam is a rupa. So yet only to be added, not nyat. Okay. Then other forms are simple. You can do that. If you add tumun will be ganayitum.
Ganayitu, yeah.
Tva will be ganayita. Correct. Okay. The next one. Next person. Next person is Krishnaji.
Yes. Kutah गणयितुं न पारयसि.
Parayasi. Parayasi, which gana is that?
Is it
10th gana?
Churadi gana?
Yeah, 10th gana. Dhatu is para, there is a dhatu para. Karma samaptau. Para, karma samaptau. I think that is a dhatu. Let me check whether that is a dhatu. Para, karma samaptau, to end, to complete. Okay, that's a meaning. Yes, parayati, this form is there. So dhatu is parayati.
So nakshatrani ganayitum na parayasi.
Parayasi, yes. Okay.
Pradhana nakshatrani kani tani kati.
That Ashtavimshati, that nakshatrani are that. I think what he is saying, Pradhana nakshatrani. Okay. Ashwinyadini, Saptavimshati, not 28, Saptavimshati.
Tani kani.
Yes. Saptavimshati nakshatrani pradhanani. Okay. So Paradhatu here, that is, you can note, Para is 10th gana. Parayati, etc. So what will be its other forms? If you take
Parayati, parayasi, parayami. Lang form would be aparayat. Lut. Load would be parayatu, parayatat. Dealing would be parayat.
Parayat. Then tumun and all, tumun tavyayat.
Pari is a dhatu, so pari, pare, parayitum. Tavya would be
Parayitavya.
Parayitavya. Aniya would be Paraniya.
Aniyar would be, yes. Paraniya would be. Paraniya.
the E goes away.
In fact, he goes away. The Rupam is Pari. Para plus Nich. Para plus Nich.
Pari.
That Pari. Then Pari after that you have to do. Right? Okay. Next one. Kameshwari.
त्वं तव पदाभ्यां यथा योगं वाक्यानि पूरयत.
Yes.
त्वं or तव. Okay. Dash नक्षत्राणि गणयसि. So त्वं नक्षत्राणि गणयसि. लालय पितरौ पुत्रीं लालयतः. So तव पितरौ पुत्रीं लालयतः.
Yeah. What is the
Then
dhatu?
Gana dhatu. Then here lal, lali will come out. Lal, I don't know.
Dhatu is lal dhatu.
Oh, lal, okay.
I think dhatu must be lal. It is in the 10th gana.
Okay.
Lal becomes that's dhatu. Lal. Vilase. Dhatu is it is in Vadigana as well as in Churadigana. Lalayati. So Lalayate, it is Rupam. So here it is Lalayataha. It is Ubhayapadi anyway, it's no problem. Lalayati, Lalayataha. Okay, it is 10th Gana. If it is 10th Gana, it is Atmanepadi. Okay, you have to note this. 10th Gana, it is Atmanepadi, therefore it has to be in the other Gana. You can take it as the Vadigana.
Okay.
You can take it as the Bhavadigana. Bhavadigana, it is Parasmapadi Dhatu. Bhavadigana, it is
Okay.
Parasmapadi Dhatu, becomes
Lalayati, lalayataha.
1 minute. That causative form is Lalayati. Otherwise, Bhavadigana Lalati, the form is Lalati. So
this is causative, Sharanji. Lalayat.
Okay. So if it is Preranartha, then we can say Lalayati, no problem. Yes. If it is Svarte Atmanepadi, Preranarte, you can take it as a 10th Gana. It is Preranarte, Lalayati. Okay. So Lalayate Svarte, it is Atmanepadi. In 10th Gana, it is 10th Gana only. First Gana, if you take, you will not get Lalayati. You will get Lalati, Lalata, Halalat. So Lalati is 10th Gana only. Preranarte, therefore Lalayati, Tirupam. Okay. Then
Okay.
continue. Next one is
लट्रूपैः वाक्यानि पूरयत. वयं पीठेषु उपविश. वयं, so it is upavishyas. Vayam. No. Upavishyamah. Upavishyamah.
Upavishyamah, not Upavishyamah. Upavishyamah, Vishdhatu.
Okay.
6th Gana. Upavishyamah.
Upavishyamah. Aham angulihi ganayami.
What is Angulihi?
Finger angul.
What is the Karaka here? Is it? You count by fingers? That's the topic, right? The lesson. You count these stars by your finger.
Like Tritiya Vibhakti, Bahuvachanam, like that.
Tritiya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. What is a Shabda? I think your Shabda forgotten now because of this Dhatu. Shabda is gone. But to recollect, okay, anyway, we have to do that. Angulihi is Dvitya Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Nadi Shabda. Nadi Nadyo Nadyaha. Nadim Nadyo. I count the fingers. Not by fingers I count. I intentionally asked you that question. I count the fingers. Agam Angulihi Ganayami. Okay, next one. Last one.
Trinani nakshatrani cha asankyani
Asankyani, not asankhya. Asankyani karmani. Asankyani.
Sankyani.
What is the pratyaya in this? What is the pratyaya in Sankyani? Sankyani, in fact, it is a kridanta. Okay, that's why it is given. Okay, Sankyani, is it lakara, or it is it's a kriya padam, or it is a nama padam? You say that
Namapadam.
it is nama padam. There's no doubt. Yes, right.
Yeah.
So therefore, it is, if it is a nama padam, then what is this Sankyani? How you get this word Sankyani?
Aniya. Sankhya plus Aniya. Sankhya.
Yes,
Aniya.
it is aniya. Some plus kya dhatu. Some plus kya dhatu. No, that kya is to tell. The meaning. Dhatu is kya, kyati. That prakatane, that meaning is adadigana, kya dhatu. Some upasargika kya dhatu. What pratyaya is added?
Aniya.
Kya. No. Aniya. If it is aniya, it will be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Will come.
What is the pratipadikam? Asankyani. Pratipadikam is
Asankhya.
Sankhya. Then how can be aniya? What is the pratipadikam? If the pratipadikam is Sankhya, what pratyaya is added to the dhatu? Kya dhatu? Having some upasarga.
Some upasarga. Yeah.
In the kritya, in the kritya pratyas, what pratyaya is added? Kritya, we have got yat,
Yep.
nyat, tavya, aniya, etc. Don't go to lyapanda. In kritya,
Okay.
not krit. Within krit, we are talking about kritya. It is also krit only. Talking about kritya. What is it? What pratyaya is added? Anybody?
Yat pratyaya.
Yat
Yat
pratyaya.
pratyaya.
Because ajanta dhatu,
Ajanta.
right?
Yeah.
Ajanta dhatu takes yat pratyaya. We saw. So kya plus ya will become that kya, sankhya, some plus kya plus yat pratyaya. You can see here ajanta dhatu. What sense is these are added? Presha, Atisarga, Prapta Kaleshu, then Hargarte, Shakyarte, Avashekarte, and all these meanings we saw. So some upasargika, kya dhatoho, achoyet. Achoyet, that is that is it. Yet pratyas can be added to this dhatu. So we get this form. So kya plus yat pratyaya. It should be kyaya, but 1 minute. This asankhya. Some upasargika kya dhatu, then et pratyaya. Akaranta dhatu, something happens here. Kya sankhya. Sankhya Kimbhavati. It's a good one. Let me check. Some plus kya plus yat pratyaya. Okay, let me find out. Okay, that we'll see. So the form is, this is yat pratyaya is added. That is, I think that is correct by yat pratyaya. But akara goes, maybe akara goes away by some rule. Let me check that. Anyway, so some upasargika kya dhatoho yat pratyaya bhavati. Right? So you have got the form. Yes. So you get the form.
Sankhya.
Sankhya. So Sankhya can decline.
Bahuvachanam is Sankhyan. Okay.
Sankyani.
I got confused with that me only.
Yeah, I know that.
Now I
That's why-
understood my mistake.
And it is Nanj Tat Purusha in this given na Sankyani Asankyani. Not able to. Nakshatrani na Sankyani Asankyani. Yes, I understood that ani here is because of ani.
Mm.
Yes. Okay, so 11th
Then
lesson.
asdhatu, this is santi, right? Trinani nakshatrani santi. This
Yeah.
fill in the blanks.
Yes. Yeah, santi. Yes.
Santi.
Astatu. Yes,
Mm.
santi. Okay, we completed this lesson, and then Chaturdasha Pataha, we will do it the next class. Okay. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad ji.
Yat pratyaya, the rupam is Kyayam is given. Kyayam. But here Sankhya is plus Kya. Let me check. Okay, anyway, we'll see that next class. Okay. Dhanyawad.
धन्यवाद शरण जी.
Dhanyawad, Shanti.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಶರಣ್ ಜಿ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Sharanji.
Dhanyawad ji.